Hi, my name is Joey Rendon with Rendon Remodeling and Design. We're at the basement project in Centreville. Continuing with the progress, we got the drywall installed. So this is the master bedroom. We got the trim work started. We're gonna have some solid core doors for both doors in the bedroom for noise purposes, as well as over here we got the egress window cut out. We're ready to start installing that right now or here very soon. So here's the master bathroom that's attached to the bedroom. As you can see, we've got the backer board on the shower. We got the curbless shower prepped. We got the Detra on the floor. Now we go to what is going to be the kitchenette and what we're calling the bonus room. All along this wall, as you can see, we got one cabinet just sitting in place, but all along this wall is going to be cabinetry that will have the washer and dryer as well. Over here is just going to be what we call the bonus room. I think the homeowners might set up some exercise equipment. We're also getting started with all the trim installation. We're going to get the egress window installed here soon, as well as all the cabinetry for the kitchenette to get everything ready for painting, which will be coming next after all the trim and tile work is complete.